how big and horrible looking it is.
You can't see it, dummy.
Just hold on. I'm sorry, I'm high. You see this? It's huge, man. And like, okay. Like, I caught a spider, man, by myself.
Because no one else was stupid enough, maybe? Because it's poisonous?
It is poisonous. Anyway, sorry.
Damn it.
This spider. I thought I should make this video to tell you that this spider, I named it. Its name is Jeff. Jeff, dude. Alright. Okay. I love you. I love you so much. Bye.
Rub it against your face.
Jeff. I want you dead.